Welcome back to Smart Money Moves. Today, we're diving into a topic that many people find sensitive. Money. It's a delicate issue for countless individuals, and for some, it's so contentious that they prefer to avoid it altogether. Rather than managing their finances, they focus solely on earning and spending. In essence, there are two types of people in the world, those who grow their wealth and those who see it slip away. In this video, I'll share 10 critical money mistakes you must avoid at all costs. But before we jump in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more insightful content. Let's understand the reality of wealth. Money mistakes are all too common, even among those who come into significant wealth suddenly, through inheritance, lotteries, or other unexpected windfalls. Just look at the story of legendary boxer Mike Tyson, who earned over $300 million in his career. Shockingly, by 2003, he declared bankruptcy and was more than $20 million in debt. This example serves as a powerful reminder: no matter how much you earn, financial missteps can lead to dire consequences. Let's not waste any time. Here are 10 money mistakes you absolutely need to avoid. Money mistake number 1, spending on drugs or cigarettes. First up, spending on drugs or cigarettes. Sure, a casual drink or smoke might seem harmless, but the truth is constant use is detrimental to both your health and your wallet. Just think about it. A pack of cigarettes costing around $9.08 a day adds up to a staggering $3,305.12 annually. That's money that could go towards property taxes, a dream vacation, or even a new investment. So, ditch those unhealthy habits and invest in your health and wealth instead. Let's move on to next point now. Money mistake number 2, spending more than you make. Next, we have spending more than you earn. It's tempting to splurge on luxuries, like flashy cars or exotic vacations, but doing so can lead to a vicious cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Often, this overspending is fueled by social pressure or the desire to impress. Instead, focus on prioritizing investments and building your assets. Your future self will thank you. Money mistake number 3, not investing wisely. Third on the list is not investing wisely. Making impulsive investments based on tips or hot trends can lead to significant losses. Remember, real estate is not always a guaranteed income source. Always do your research and make informed decisions before putting your hard-earned money on the line. Money mistake number 4, following get-rich-quick schemes. Number 4, beware of get-rich-quick schemes. Whether it's Ponzi or pyramid schemes, the allure of high returns with low risk can be tempting, but the reality is often a painful loss. Always approach these offers with caution and a healthy dose of skepticism. Money mistake number 5, not having an emergency fund. Next up, failing to have an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, emergencies happen. That's why it's crucial to set aside 6 months to a year's worth of living expenses in a dedicated emergency account. This financial cushion will help you stay prepared for whatever life throws your way. Money mistake number 6, having just one source of income. Sixth, we have relying on just one source of income. It's like having a tree with only one branch. If it breaks, you're in trouble. Diversify your income streams to ensure stability and resilience in your financial life. The more branches, the better. Money mistake number 7, relying heavily on credit cards. 7th on our list is relying too much on credit cards. They can encourage impulse buying and lead you down a path of debt. Instead, consider using cash for day-to-day expenses. This tangible method helps curb those temptations and keeps your spending in check. Money mistake number 8, being scared to take financial risks. 8. Don't let fear of taking calculated risks hold you back. Avoiding risk can hinder your financial growth. For instance, investing in an index fund may yield a higher return than keeping your money in a low-interest savings account. Take smart risks and watch your wealth grow. Money mistake number 9, saving rather than investing. Ninth, saving instead of investing can be a costly mistake. Money stashed away in a savings account loses value over time due to inflation. Instead, consider investing your savings in assets like stocks, real estate, or startups to truly grow your wealth. Money mistake number 10, having only one bank account. And finally, having just one bank account complicates money management. It's wise to use separate accounts for emergencies, daily expenses, and entertainment. Consider setting up an untouchable account with automatic paycheck deductions to ensure consistent savings. This way, your financial goals become easier to manage. Thanks for joining me today. If you're looking to transition from the life you have to the life you truly deserve, don't forget to stay tuned for more tips and strategies. Remember, avoiding these 10 money mistakes can set you on the path to financial success. Until next time, take care and make wise financial choices.